be allowed to expire. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wise County in north central Texas, southern Montague County in north central Texas, northeastern Jack County in north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Newport, or 15 miles northeast of Jacksboro, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Albert, Chico, Forest, Bergen, Sunset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.